Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we are from group 3, class of 2007. We are going to presentation our project about simulation and measurement of mixed circuit using Proteus. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Zazqi Azzahra. I would like to explain first about what is system summary. Next, as you know, system summary is the developer of technology is in the very triplet all of the basically to safety human in the world. With increasing time, people will be forced to fit with their own activity. One component that can be used Proteus is very useful for microcontroller design. Proteus is also useful for learning electronics, such as the basic of electronic to microcontroller application. The software provides many simple applications so user can learn. The technology developer there is a special advantage that is to facilitate all job for the teenager or student to adults. The purpose of our calculation discussion use a combination with content and combination of series and parallel circuit. We mix a circuit are usually also available in electric circuit to be able to find a comparison scale on mixed circuit. Before we have to find the magnitude of circuit model. After we find the magnitude of the two series, then we look for a comparison for that and can.
My name is Novridayanti. Here I will explain about the simulation and measurement of mixed circuit with Proteus. I use 5 types of components and 2 measuring devices. The components in the circuit are resistor, LED, switch, battery, and ground. Resistor is component that serves a barrier to the electric current. Here I use 6 resistors, 5 resistors in parallel circuit with values of 10 ohms and 1 in series and parallel branch with 250 ohms. Then the LED, which is an electronic component made of semiconductor material and function an indicator light. I use 8 LED, 5 in parallel and 3 in series. Next, the switch, the connecting component that has two states, namely on and off. When off, there will be no current flowing. When on, the current can flow. I use 6 switches, 5 in parallel circuit and 1 in external circuit. Then the battery is a component that can supply electrical energy even when not connected to another power source. With a note that the battery is charged with electricity. The battery I use is 500 volts. And finally, the ground is the security system in the electrical circuit. Serve as safety when an electric current leaks and protective against electromagnetic wave. Then the measuring instruments used are ammeter and voltmeter. Ammeter is measuring instrument used to detect current in electric circuit, both small current and large current. While the voltmeter is a measuring instrument used to measure the amount of electrical voltage in electric circuit.
Hello, my name is Syarifah Aini. I will explain the analysis on the measurement of a simple electrical circuit using Proteus. We can see the value of the electric current when all the lights are on, which is equal to 1.97 amperes, and the value of electric voltage when all the lights are on, which is 7.17 volts. For each existing lamp, using 2.2 volt and 10 milliampere. This can affect the current and voltage strength. When one of the lights in parallel is turned off, the strong current becomes 1.97 amperes and the voltage becomes 8.07 volt. When two lights in parallel are turned off, the strong current becomes 1.96 amperes and the voltage becomes 9.37 volt. When the three lights in parallel are turned off, the strong current becomes 1.95 amperes and the voltage becomes 11.4 volt. When four lights in parallel are turned off, the current strength becomes 1.94 amperes and the voltage becomes 15.1 volt. When five lamps in parallel are turned off, which means that only the lamps in the series circuit in this mixed circuit are on, the current strength becomes 1.90 amperes and the voltage becomes 23.7 volt. With this, we can see the less light is turned on, the smaller the current with greater voltage, and vice versa. If the more lights are turned on, the greater the current with smaller voltage. That's all for our presentation. Forgive us if there are some mistakes were made. Thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.